In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram account not showing up in search results. First, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Then select Message Requests. Now tap on Who can add you to group chats. If the setting is set to only people you follow on Instagram, select Everyone and then go back. You should also check whether your account is set to private. If it is, switch it to a public account, as private accounts may have reduced visibility in search results. After making these changes, give Instagram some time to update your account information and then try searching for your account again. And that's how to fix an Instagram account that's not showing in search results. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.